Hello everyone, and welcome back to another In the Kitchen recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this Crockpot peach cobbler recipe. This is incredibly easy. You'll need your Crockpot, you're going to need a mixing bowl, something to mix your ingredients with, and some measuring spoon and cup. Sliced yellow clean peaches and heavy syrup, or you can use fresh. You need two 15-ounce cans. My Save-A-Lot, they only had 14.8, but it worked out fine. A stick of butter, some ground cinnamon, brown sugar, and a yellow cake mix. This is a dump recipe. Was so yummy. In my medium bowl, I have 4 cups of drained peaches. And you're going to smother these peaches in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And then you're going to fold in all the ingredients, coat the peaches. After the peaches are completely coated, set those to the side. Then slice up a stick of butter, and this is for the top layer. Slice that butter up, and I have sprayed my Crockpot with non-stick cooking spray, and this always helps with cleanup after. So I'm going to dump my peaches into the Crockpot, grab my yellow cake mix, pour that on top of the peaches. I kind of try to flatten it out a bit. I take the stick butter and layer that on top all around so that can seep into the cracks and crevices as it cooks. Putting my lid on the Crockpot. I'm going to turn the Crockpot on high and forget about it for 3.5 hours, or until the top is golden brown and bubbling on the sides, which you can see here. So this has been 3.5 hours. It's bubbling on the side, it's golden brown, and it is done. This smells absolutely amazing. This is like fall in your house. This dessert smells so good. The dessert was so yummy too. You can serve this alone or with ice cream. This recipe is versatile as well. Just follow the steps and change your fruit. Cherry, strawberry, blueberry, apple. Possibilities are endless with this recipe. This recipe is delicious, but I will warn you, it's incredibly rich. If I make this again, I will adjust the sugar. I am eager to try this recipe with apples. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. We'll try the recipe out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional In the Kitchen links. Stay tuned for more videos like these.